Yes. Okay, great. Basically, I discovered that it's a criminal offense to pay tax to a government which uses the money for a criminal purpose. And I discovered that in 2002, just before the Iraq War. And I started to refuse to pay tax on the grounds that it's a criminal offense to do so. Unfortunately, our legal system didn't abide by that and finally sent me to prison for not paying taxes. And so I just identified a different way where we could do it entirely lawfully. And that is using their system of trusts to hold taxes in trust for the government on condition that they use the money lawfully. So broadly, that's what this is all about. And I'm encouraging people to put all their taxes in trusts for the government and lay down the conditions on which they will be paid. And if they aren't paid, then at the end of the year, you get your money back.
And this specifically is money that is going to be used unlawfully. It's not like you can't withhold your taxes because your EastEnders isn't on 5 times a week. It has to be something lawful, doesn't it?
This is absolutely. Well, the conditions, you can put all those conditions in, but you're not likely to get away with it. No, it has to be based on the fact that the British government and every agent of the British government is always breaking the law. And by waging war and dropping bombs on innocent men, women, and children, that our leaders are committing genocide, and taxpayers, in supporting that, are committing conduct ancillary to genocide.
Now, for anybody who is interested in finding out more about this, I've put a link in it on my link tree. If I just share my screen now, so this is my TikTok that you're seeing right now. If you just click on my link tree there, you will go through to my link tree, and then at the top you'll see tax rebellion information. And if you click on that, you will go through to Chris's website where you can download any documents yourself and find out more about this. Now, by the way, the documents on that website people can download. Is this just something that they can just copy and paste their name into? That it's very simple for them to set up? Is there a template or anything like that you've set up?
Yes, if you click on that front page of Probity, the website, probityco.com, and scroll down a little bit, you'll see on the right-hand side a green thing, deed of trust. So if you click on that, there's the document.
There's declaration of sovereignty and deed of discretionary revocable
conditional trust.
Conditional trust and withdrawal of consent to legal taxation. You just fill in your name and your address. Now, where do you send that to, Chris? Where you send that to?
No, you don't send that anywhere. It's very important. What that is you as a settler are settling your taxes into trust. And this is the instructions to the trustee of what your trust is all about. And it's now, if you are your own trustee, as you can be in this document, then you put it in a different box or a different place at home and keep it. You must keep the original document, and if anybody else, you send copies to everybody else, or not to those people who you want to inform.